How to change a name on Facebook Lite. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to easily change name on Facebook Lite. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get right into it. First thing first, you need to open up your Facebook Lite. And once you open up your Facebook Lite, make sure that you are logged into your correct account. And from here, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner. Now, you just have to scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings, and then it will open up your settings. Now tap on See More in Account Center. You will be directly taken to your account center where you have different options. So the very first option is your profiles. Tap on it to see all of your connected accounts. Now if you want to edit anything, choose your profile. I'm just going to change the name of my Facebook, so I'm just going to tap right here. And if you want to edit your name, tap on Name. Now you just have to select a name right here. You're going to add a middle name, something like this. And from here, you can just tap on Review Change. Once you do this, Facebook will review your change and you can save your change. But you have to note that you won't be able to change your name within the next 60 days. So be careful on what you choose your name. And once you are satisfied, you can tap on Save Changes and it will change your name. So that's pretty simple and straightforward. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.